Myself Aditya Raj. After explaining about the component, I am going to explain on the working of these components. This is a 12-volt power supply which is connected to the main supply. After connecting to the main supply, we on our project. Here it is showing that connecting to the servers. When it will be connected to the server, it shows no animals and pump will be off, because here the pump will be off because we dip the moisture sensor in water. If we remove the moisture sensor from the water, it shows the pump will goes on like this. Here now it shows the pump will be on, and here our water pump will start. Now here it is showing that no animal will be detected, because there is no movement across the PIR sensor. When we move our hand across the PIR sensor, it shows the animal will be detected, and we must send the information to our mobile. Now we are moving my hand across the PIR sensor, then it shows animal will be detected. When I remove my hand across the PIR sensor, it will be got off. When the PIR detected our hand, it shows the information that animal will be detected and the sound will be produced by the buzzer. After running our project, we will further proceed to the main discussion about our component. Here is D1 VMOS D1 Mini, which has 16 pin. Here it has 16 VMOS D1 Mini, which has 16 pin, work as a microcontroller as well as Wi-Fi module, which connect to the server. Microcontroller perform the various tasks like after the sensing of moisture, it will start the pump, and after detection of the animal, it will start the buzzers. VMOS D1 Mini pins are connected to different, as I told, different component. The pin D note is connected to the PIR sensors. The pin A note is connected to the moisture sensors, and the pin D1 and D2 are connected to the I2C adapter, and other pin are connected to ground and 5-volt supply.